In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a PDF bank statement into Xero. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate the process with ease. Let's dive right into it. First, open up your browser and go to the Xero dashboard. The dashboard is your command center where you can see an overview of all your financial data and access different features. Once there, focus your attention on the tab labeled Accounting. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with several options related to managing your financial data within Xero. From this menu, look for the option that says Bank Accounts. Selecting this will direct you to a page that lists all the bank accounts you currently have set up in Xero. Here, you can manage your accounts, reconcile transactions, and much more. For our purpose, though, you'll want to find and click on the option that says Import a Bank Statement. This is usually located somewhere prominent on the bank accounts page and indicates the process for uploading new banking data. Now it's time to select the specific bank statement file you want to import. Look for the button that says Select File. When you click on this, it will open a file selector on your computer, allowing you to navigate to the location where your PDF bank statement is stored. Be sure to select the correct file, as this will ensure that the information imported into Xero matches your actual transactions. After you've chosen the file, the next step is to begin the upload by confirming your file selection. You'll typically have a Next button available to proceed, so go ahead and click on that once you're confident that your file is the correct one. As it uploads, Xero processes the data in your PDF, preparing it to be incorporated into your account. A few things to keep in mind as you go through this process. First, ensure that your PDF files are formatted correctly so that Xero can read them without issues. Xero supports specific formats, so double-checking this can save time and prevent errors. If you're having trouble with formatting, consult Xero's help resources or reach out to their support team for assistance. And that's it! You're well on your way to having all the necessary financial data integrated right into Xero. With your bank statement imported, you can now move on to reconciling transactions, checking for inconsistencies, and keeping your financial records up to date and accurate. Following these steps will ensure your financial management is as efficient and seamless as possible. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful for